Yo, I had to put on a sweater because I don't know. This is all one sitting. Like, I didn't edit my video yet, so hopefully, my head and arms are floating because I had that green shirt. So I have my work sweater on. Sort of. Yeah. Let's get back into this. So her name is. I forgot her name. I don't know her name. Find a way to the morgue. Alright, she still got the guns that Ratchet has, so I'm about to say.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Great! There's a seeker peed right over my hideout. I haven't been out this far in a while. Got a lot of swamp acid between here and the Mort's gelatonium factory.
Those beetles appear to have no issue with the acidic swamp water.
Speedles, yeah. That's why I'm gonna ride one. As soon as I can get close enough. Oh. This wasn't what was in my account last time.
Oh, that is because I added our mutual friend on Nefarious City.
Okay.
Leave it so soon?
Bro, this game, bro, the music, the scenery, bro, it's so. Oh shoot. Move, boy. Y'all should be dead. I barely, damn near fully maxed this gun.
Dispatch them quite capably.
Where's that speedle going?
It appears some dimensional distortion is emanating from that cave.
And the last speedle runs into that rift thingy. Smarty bot, what is this place?
A dimensional pocket? Perhaps a symptom of the Dimensionator's destruction.
Hey, it's Maynard, the Mort's helper bot. Must have wandered in through the rift somehow.
There is the Speetle.
No, don't hide! Ugh.
Hitting its nest might get its attention.
Well, hello there. Gotcha!
Oh, dear.
Oh, I love when he does that. This is, oh hell, it's faster than this?
Now, if we could get away from this acid...
Come on, Maynard! Let's find the Morts! Excuse me!
Look out!
I got it! See? Sometimes I don't crash.
Oh no! Oh.
There's the gelatonium factory. I'm coming, Morts.
We didn't follow that Lombax and his Robopet across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs. So you got like 9.5 seconds to tell us where they're at. 1.
Hang on there now.
That's my dog.
They are looking for Ratchet. I am telling the truth.
Whatever, Bolts. I'm gonna save my friends. Hey, I know where you can find a Lombax.
Another Lombax? Well, that's where your friend is.
Oh shit. Oh.
Don't got the guns for that gun.
Pull it up on me! Level 3. Oh, it's for myself. What is this?
Mort! Good, you're okay.
Us? Oh, when we heard those fellas were after a Lombax, we were worried about you. The next thing we know, you're here saving our behinds.
Wait, where are the others?
Well, some of the Morts are stuck inside of that mess there. Not a clue what it is. All I know is it keeps getting bigger. Oh, between that and our new neighbor up there, we are not doing too fine.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, and to keep you all busy while I'm gone, got this at Zerky's. Mort can finally fix that ship she's been working on.
Zerkies? Oh, those pirates didn't give you any trouble, did they?
Only a little.
You can give this to Mort yourself once you get her from that purple mess over there.
I got hella.
The point,
Damn,
hit
more
them
shit.
Over and over again with the ricochet. Level this bad gal up for access.
Bro, she
to
can't
more
buy anything, bro. I got the same amount of points.
Okay. Do not enter. Got it.
May I take a look? I have some experience with dimensional anomalies.
Sure.
Greetings! Welcome! How did you get in here?
Where exactly is, here?
Oh, you don't know? Well, I don't either. It appears to be a space between dimensions. Could be nothing. Could be a cascading entropic fissure that will soon turn the entire universe into a formless soup. Time will tell.
Oh. Oh dear. Well, I am Clank. Please allow me to help.
Right, yes, Clank. I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Here we are,
What?
Clank, former warbot, teamed up with the Lombax, became a hero. Ooh, good for you. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father?
You might just be the one I've been waiting for. Would you like to help me fix the dimensions?
You know how to fix the dimensions? And why are there copies of me running around?
They're your possibilities. The key to repairing this anomaly. But first, pick up that nearby sphere. This is a lift sphere. It can reduce the gravity on any object it touches. It seems your possibilities are what keeps an anomaly from collapsing. They look like you because that's how you interpret dimensionality. But as you can see, they've lost their way. If you can guide them to the meta-terminal ahead, you will begin to repair this anomaly. Now, enter the meta-terminal and you'll be one step closer to fixing this dimensional anomaly.
You can press. I mean, I knew you was gonna play as Clank at a point, but this is different. Usually he goes through these little
feel like things
compartments
are
that Ratchet
slowly
could.
starting to make sense, dimensionally speaking.
A speed sphere. That'll get you moving.
I bet some extra speed could make quick work of that barrier. Do you live on Sargasso too, Gary?
Savali, actually. I've been studying in the archives. It's the greatest repository of dimensional knowledge I've ever seen.
Wait, where am I?
That device may be able to redirect my possibilities. There must be a way to activate it.
Outstanding! You seem to be a natural at this, Clank.
I mean, listen, man. I did beat Resident Evil Village, so this ain't gonna be too as crazy as that. So I think I got this.
I feel myself learning something by completing these puzzles, but I cannot explain what it is.
The words will come to you when you are ready. Now, lead your possibilities to the final meta terminal. And not to stress you out, but there's a lot riding on this. Like, a lot.
If I fix this anomaly, will that fix all the damage that has been done in this dimension?
Oh no, anomalies are spreading too quickly to do that. I'm afraid a dimensional cataclysm is coming, and our only hope to stop it is with that which caused it.
The dimension...
Indeed. But
Hold
if
on,
repairing anomalies is helping you learn about dimensionality, I think you'll soon be able to learn enough to save us all. Hopefully.
I wonder if I will be able to solve all of this in the end.
What makes you say that?
It has been a long time since I have been a hero. And with everything that happened with the Dimensionator, I am concerned.
In times of great stress, which seems to be every day of my life, I've always found it best to take things one step at a time. Focus on what's in front of you. I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
should lighten things up.
Clank, you repaired the anomaly, and now we're one step closer to stopping the dimensional cataclysm.
So then I says, listen, Mort. You, Mort, and Mort better hide that lemonade before Mort shows up.
Listen, Mort. You and Mort. Mort.
I
Mort.
am uncertain.
Rivet! How the heck are you?
Look who it is!
Mort.
You would not believe my luck today. My trip to Nefarious City went totally sideways. I wrecked my ship, and I...
Oh, Mort.
You go
Say
on
on
and
Mort.
leave that one to old Mort.
It ain't serious. You ain't put it on Mort.
Assuming you brought that part I asked for,
Huh, Mort?
I'll have this old thing in ship shape.
Just gotta lower the bridge, and then I'm taking you to my hideout.
Okay, Clank.
What are we going to do there?
You'll find out soon enough.
Hey, man, that's supposed to be Ratchet's girl, man. I mean, they don't know each other yet, but come on, they only land
Next stop,
back.
hideout. Just have to lower the bridge somehow.
Let's go. You know my weapons are crazy, bro. I got upgraded weapons. I'm just going elite. Oh, baby. Woo. Oh, okay. Yes, damn, Skippy.
Hi! You sure are one big Grunthor!
I hope you have enough ammo.
You're
Damn.
a stubborn Grunthor, too!
No more hostiles within range.
Rivet, we raised the bridge to your hideout for protection. The control systems are over there on that platform.
Thanks for looking out. I'll find a way over. Don't tell me. My glove thingy can interact with that rift thingy.
Your rift's tethered, yes. Try aiming at the rift.
That was fun!
I learned that rift bullshit is baby, bro. What now? Who's shooting? Oh, baby. Hey, shut your ass. Oh shit. Who the hell is shooting, man? I'm worth my ammo, y'all. Y'all not worth my ammo, bro. We are the guys, yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, dude.
I wish you had a jetpack feature, Bolt.
I do as well.
Oh!
Alright, now to lower the bridge.
Bro, I'm having too much fun, bro.
Rivet, we just finished locking down your hideout when those troublemakers showed up.
We just finished locking down. No, my battery about to die. Oh, let's get to the hideout.
Seriously?
Bro, I'm about to die.
There
No!
has to be another way across.
You will not succeed in jumping across.
Just scoping it out.
Damn, I'm about to die. My fault, y'all. I died. I'm using my phone right now. I ain't gonna leave you out like that. Damn, bro. Oh wait. I see the little. I think I'm supposed to grab.
I may regret suggesting this, but what about the Speedle?
What about it? Let's go!
Wow.
Almost home. And there's another Grunthor in the way.
I do regret this.
Okay.
Come on. We both know how this is gonna end, big guy.
Oh shit. Oh, baby, hold on. Fuck! Oh shit, my fault. I'm getting tight. Yeah. I don't wanna die. I'll be tight, bro. I don't wanna die. I'm right there. Alright, got it. I need health, I need health.
So shiny.
That's like a secret hiding type of thing. Oh, I'm about to die, I'm about to die. I'm about to die, I'm about to die.
my final enemy, Mortz's pressure locks.
Oh Lord.
We must keep our eyes open for nanotech. It appears that these locks must be hit quickly.
Yep, Morts are funny like that. Time to find out the truth about you.
If only I could talk with Ratchet.
Home sweet home.
Why are you so hesitant to trust me?
Look, robots aren't really my thing. Especially when they're tearing my galaxy apart.
I am
Wow.
not.
Oh.
I was trying to help Ratchet find the other Lombaxes.
We'll see the truth soon enough. Once I scan you and the infobot I found in Nefarious City. Safe for now.
This is extremely unnecessary.
Lombax. Okay. So, you were being honest.
As I have been saying, repeatedly,
You're nefarious. He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. And that Lombax. I know it might sound crazy, but
you think he is your dimensional counterpart.
or something. Look, whatever's going on here, we're gonna fix it.
We? I thought robots are not your thing.
Not all of them, just most. You know, like the Emperor, his stupid followers, pirates. Yeah, I see the irony too.
Oh, I apologize. I did not mean to,
You feel bad? Even though I just watched your brain diary thingy?
Missing infobot located. Initiating retrieval.
Go here. No.
Where the hell did she put the robot?
Hey! That's my annoying robot!
Deploying amphibious explosives to neutralize hostile furball.
Hang in there, folks! I'm coming!
This shit is escalated that quick, bro.
That Seekerpede's flight stabilizer should be on its back. If I can get up there and hit it, I can bring the whole thing down.
Wait, where you going?
Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
baby. Hold on.
Give me back my robot.
Old-fashioned hit. The how you hit a bad guy turn red. I love that feature, man. I know it's kind of kiddish, but it's still handy, man.
No, you're not getting away from me.
I assure you, this laser is delicious. Prepare now. Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives.
Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me.
Need for speed trading for this, man.
I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Your destruction
over
is
there.
most definitely assured now.
Bring it.
Dash, my brother. Can't touch this, boyo. And you dead.
Me drive that thing.
Dead, you dead, you dead.
This is unfortunate.
This is unfortunate. Damn right, man. No, it's not unfortunate. You just ass, bro. You know what you're dealing with. It's A Trizzle, aka Domingo the Don live in the effect, man.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business. Ooh, we should see if Mort fixed up the ship. By the way, how about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
Not as thrilling as what we're gonna find in this infobot, but it'll be close.
Rivet! Ship's ready and waiting for ya!
Mort, you fixed it! Thank you.
Rivet. That's her name, Rivet.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor finds us too.
So
Let's do this. What's on your mind?
like a movie, man.
Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I
mean,
are
it is
lost.
your fault.
Oh, yeah.
Not really, because the theory
Well,
if he wasn't there, this would never happen.
Hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
New World, who this? Alright, y'all. We're gonna end it here. New World. You know what I mean? That's where we end the video, so yeah, so you know, I don't know what to say. Y'all was with me the whole episode, so y'all know what happened. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode, man. Sub, like, all that good stuff. Share with your people, man. Me and go to Don, man. We taking over for the rest of the YouTube years with gaming. We gonna be up there, man, soon. We in the bottom right now, but we gonna work our way to the top, man. But hope y'all love the video, man. We gonna see you next episode. Love y'all. Peace. And it's still there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out, man. I'm gonna figure out outro. But I love you people, man. I love you so much, man. Take it easy.